Are you all interested in a good makeup remover stick which is affordable, made in India and not tested on animal as well? If yes, want to see a review as well as demo on that? Then keep on watching. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Hauls and Reviews. Now continuation of the end range, one more product. It is blueheaven over and out makeup remover stick with vitamin B, E and aloe vera. Directly we'll talk about the outer packaging. This is the outer packaging, pink and blue, nothing new now for us. On the second side it says gently remove tough transfer proof makeup while preserving your skin's natural moisture barrier with this fuss free makeup remover stick. It has vitamin E with aloe vera for instant hydration. Vitamin B boosts natural glow. That is what is given on the second side. On the third side it says the MRP. MRP of this product is 200 rupees and manufacturing is 122. Yes, recent manufacture. It is good till use for 1224. That is 3 years of shelf life. This contains 8.5 gram of product. My notes are over here. So if at all you feel why I am looking here, because it's my notes over there. 8.5 grams of more product. Removes transfer proof makeup as well. They claim that thing. Okay, over here when you check on the third side, they have all the manufacturing and everything detail over here. Okay. Now when you check on the fourth side, they say how to use. Gently swipe across the eyelids and lips to break down the makeup. Easy to use stick. Format takes off non-transfer makeup and sunscreen in one smooth motion. That is what they have given you, all the details on the packaging. You just have to pull this off. There is a box. You know everything. If at all you want to know in detail about the packaging, you can go ahead and I'll give you my few of the blueheaven end range products review one by one on the iCard. You can go ahead and you can watch that videos. I have full range in that particular one lip tint. I think lip tint I have already shown you all 5 shades, all 5 or 6, I'm not sure. Then I have already reviewed there all 7 shades of lip glosses. I have done lots and lots of product reviews, so you can go ahead to and watch my playlist, new launches playlist, and that you will find the products. Now this is the packaging where the stick will come. We'll talk about the packaging of the inner. It is a pink tube. Can see, they say blueheaven over and out makeup remover stick with vitamin E, aloe vera and jojoba oil. That is what is given on the stick. On the back side they say net content 8.5 gram, manufactured the toll free, that is the customer care number, and made in India product. That is what they have given you. Customer care number also they have given. If at all you are wondering where is the manufacturing and expiry date, then don't worry, it is given on the stick like their blush stick. I've already shown you that also. In that the same kind of packaging they have used. This is also the same. Now I'll show you over here. If you can see, they have engraved "and" on the stick. I'm not sure whether, okay, it has captured. Okay, and total content of the product is this much. Right, this much is the product you are going to get. Now I am not sure how it will work and all, but I can definitely say one thing: if this kind of a makeup remover stick you are getting, and that also affordable. Of course there are a lot of other brands who has this kind of stick, but they are a little bit expensive. And if at all blueheaven is giving you in 200 rupees MRP, this is the MRP. And if you check Purple, they have 10, 20, 30, 40% off on blueheaven. So you can go ahead and you can buy at that time. You will get this product at very good affordable price. And if you are getting a good stick at such a great price, then yes, you can go ahead. Now what we will do is we will directly move towards the demo, and after the demo I'll just conclude the video there only. That is, I'll tell you my final thoughts without the makeup. So don't run away, just listen, because I know without makeup the person seems very different. So don't just go away. I'll remove this and I'll show you whether after removing with this, do you require any kind of face wash and all. We'll see that also. Now we'll move towards the demo. Now how to use, when you see the website or when you see the Purple's app, I have got this product from Purple, then they say directly you swipe this product on your eyes, lips and face and everywhere. They just say that way, like swipe the makeup remover over the eyes and lips, massage the product using fingers into the face, wash or wipe the face thoroughly with water and pat dry. That's what they say. They never say that you have to double cleanse. Now we will check that also. First what we will do is, I'll just take this makeup remover stick, and right now let me tell you, the lipstick what I'm having on my lips is from Maybelline. It is their Super Stay Matte Ink in the shade 120 Artist. And to remove this lipstick, because this is my tried and trusty product, you can say, to remove this lipstick I definitely require a waterproof makeup remover, and if this particular product removes the lipstick, then nothing like it. And on top of it, I have applied the Stay Quirky lip oil. I'm not sure whether that video will be up before this or maybe after this, whatever. You can go to my playlist of new launches, you can find all the videos. Now I'm not taking out much, I have just taken out this much only. Whatever is out, I am applying directly on my face, and I'll do the outro without makeup. So as I always say, don't run away. See, now you can see a little bit of product is already there on my makeup remover stick. So that means it is going to remove. So what I'll do is, I have taken that because I don't want my stick to be messy. These are my fingers. Yes. You can see the eye makeup. I have just applied one swipe of the stick on my eyes. Now what I'll do is, I'll just take a clean napkin. I want to see with the napkin, because this is my clean napkin, I can go ahead and wash my face also. What I'll do, I'll just go ahead and I'll just wash my face with normal water, and I will not use any kind of face wash. I'll just come back. Yes, now you all can see I've only applied water. Now I'll just take the napkin and I'll show you how it removes the makeup. Let's see. Can you see? And that is why I set over here, just to show you all, right? This is mostly half part. See, under my eyes, you can see little bit of mascara, or maybe not exactly mascara, but little bit of that particular, whatever you say, my liner, or maybe my mascara, or maybe the product which I used was little less, whatever. Okay, now we'll take a little bit, what we'll do directly on the lips. I'll show you. Can you see the stick? So what I'll do, I'll just wipe off this stick with some wipe or something. Yes, it has removed. Yes, very impressed. I'll just take the upper layer, because I don't want, only the thing I don't like with this kind of product is the product settles on the stick, and y'all know if it settles for more time, then germs or maybe some built up, not sure. That is why I'm just cleaning the stick with the napkin itself. Yes, now you can see the stick is already clean. Now this is the fresh part of the napkin. What I'll do is, I'll just wet my face little bit. I'll just go ahead and wet my face, and then I'll wipe in front of you whether you require a double cleanse or no. I'll just come right back. Only applied water, no other remover, nothing. And this is the fresh part. No, you don't require actually double cleanse. with one go only. No, you can see here, it's only the one go and this stick is more than enough. So I'm very happy with the product. Of course, little bit under my eyes, since I know, because my under eyes are also a little bit black. So maybe because of that, or maybe I have applied a less product, but definitely I can say this is a very good product. If at all you are looking out for some travel friendly product, and since the cost of the product is 200 rupees and that is also MRP, I'm again and again saying that also, because sometimes we like the product but the price range is not affordable. But this is a good product, affordable, made in India, not tested on animal, blueheaven, our own trusted brand, almost 40 years old brand. Then all points are win-win points. Only one drawback, it's with all the makeup remover stick, the product, like when you apply directly with the stick, then you have to just take a clean napkin or something, or maybe a tissue, just clean the top so that the product doesn't build up on the stick. Otherwise fungal infection or maybe something, I'm not sure, I'm not a doctor, but some kind of reaction or maybe infection can cause, not sure. But for my sake, for my part, I will clean the stick with a tissue or something. Basically, see what I have done, I have tried to cover each and every point, but still if you have any other questions or any other query, you can let me know in the comment section, or else you can DM me on Instagram. I'll try to reply you as soon as possible. Also, any other video suggestions, let me know that also. And if you're watching till here, that means you're liking my content. If yes, give it a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, ask them also to subscribe my channel, and please don't go without liking the video. Your one like encourages me to make more such thousands, hundreds, maybe I'm not sure how many videos. So go ahead and like the video, and also follow me on Instagram. I'll give you my Insta handle also on the screen, so follow me over there also. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.